Never rent to family. Here's how our house turned into a cockroach hotel after 10 years. For 10 years, my aunt's family rented our 150 square meters, 2-bedroom with 2-car parking home for just 10,000 a month. Pero since family, pinagbigyan na lang namin. We finally needed the house, so we asked them to move out. Pero sumama loob nila sa amin. And umabot pa sa iyakan at drama. It took 10 days to fully clean their unit. Amoy patay na daga, itlog ng ipis, and panis na pagkain. Sinks and toilets barado. Hinga lang carpenter sa dami ng sira. Pati pest control napapikit sa nakita nila. We caught over 30 rats and about hundreds of cockroaches. Total cost to fix everything was 200,000 pesos. After all that, sila pa ang galit sa amin. Kami pa daw ang masama. Wala na daw silang perang matitira kasi ang mamahal na daw ng upa sa ibaw. Wala din daw trabaho anak nila, ages 40 to 45 years old, and magre-retire na sila. What?
Hindi ka na nga nagbayad ng renta, nag-iwan ka pa disaster. Usually, ganyan talaga mga nangyayari kapag blood-related kayo. Minsan natatake advantage.
Kamag-anak
Pamilya naman
mo.
tayo,
Oo.
kamag-anak mo ko, dapat share yung blessings mo. Pero
True,
hindi
ganun.
dapat ganun eh. Kasi kumakayad yung isa, dapat ikaw din.